Welcome to the UC San Diego Shiley-Marcos Alzheimer's Disease Research Center Brain Blast series. My name is James Brewer, and I'm the director of the UC San Diego Department of Neurosciences and the Shiley-Marcos Alzheimer's Disease Research Center. I'm a professor of neurology, a clinical neurologist, and a brain imaging researcher. I'm pleased to present to you our virtual Brain Blast series. Each of the talks included in the series have been created by Shiley-Marcos ADRC colleagues with expertise in brain aging research that focuses on prevention, detection, diagnosis, and treatment of Alzheimer's disease and related dementias. Each of the experts featured in the series studies a unique aspect of brain aging and has developed a brief overview of their current research to highlight the state-of-the-art work that's going on here at UCSD and our center. We hope you'll take advantage of this free resource to learn more about the advances in brain aging, the importance of research, and the multitude of opportunities to get involved and participate in research studies.
Hello everyone, my name is Alejandra Morlett. I'm a postdoctoral fellow at UCSD. I work in the neuroscience department, and the study that I'm going to be sharing with all of you today is called Perceptions and Attitudes of Aging-Related Research Among Older Latinos. And before we begin, I just want to share with you some information about Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is the most common cause of dementia. Dementia is a general term, and there are different types of dementia, Alzheimer's being one of them. Symptoms of Alzheimer's vary from person to person. However, memory problems are typically one of the first signs of cognitive impairment related to Alzheimer's disease. But there's also a number of other problems with language, mood changes, and unpredictable behavior. Currently, Alzheimer's disease is the 8th leading cause of death among Latinos here in the US. And this number is likely underreported due to the stigma that exists in this population, low levels of knowledge, awareness about Alzheimer's disease, and misdiagnosis as well. Currently, while research is beginning to uncover this impact of Alzheimer's disease among Latinos, what we have learned to date is that Latinos may be at greater risk of developing Alzheimer's disease than non-Latino whites. And this number of Latinos, as you can see from this graph, is only expected to increase to 3.5 million by the year 2060. And despite this growing impact of the disease of Alzheimer's disease in the Latino community, only 1% of Latinos participate in studies. So this reflects an urgent need for Latinos' participation in this type of research. Okay, so now I want to share a little bit more about the study that I'm conducting. So the purpose of this study is to understand the attitudes and perceptions of older Latinos as it relates to Alzheimer's disease research. In order to participate, you have to self-identify as Latino or Hispanic, be 50 years or older, be able to communicate in either English or Spanish, and live here in the US. This study consists of a single phone call with me, which takes about 1 hour to complete. During this phone call, we're going to be discussing Alzheimer's disease research, your willingness to participate in this type of studies. And it's basically just a conversation. And at the end of the study, you will be compensated with $40 for your time. And the reason that we are doing this study is because we want to be able to better understand what older Latinos think and understand of Alzheimer's disease research, as this is an important step to increase their representation in all realms of Alzheimer's disease research. But most importantly, we want to address the impact of this disease in the community. We want to raise public awareness about Alzheimer's disease. And based on the information from this study, we want to develop guidelines in Spanish and in English for research personnel, for people working in the community, in order to be able to better discuss this type of research with older Latinos. And if you're interested in participating, you self-identify as Latino or 50 years or older, please, you can give us a call to the phone number on the screen, 858-215-2260. Leave us a message. Let us know that you're interested in participating, and we'll be giving you a call. The ADRC at UCSD is currently looking for volunteers, so if you want to hear more about any of these opportunities, please feel free to visit any of our websites for more information, and we're looking forward to hear more from you. Thank you.
We hope you've enjoyed this presentation from our UC San Diego Shiley-Marcos Alzheimer's Disease Research Center Virtual Brain Blast Series. Please look for other presentations in this series and share them with your communities. We hope that you'll also consider participating in brain research studies. We always have new opportunities for participation and are actively seeking individuals 65 and older without memory disorders, as well as those with a diagnosis of mild cognitive impairment or Alzheimer's disease and related dementias, such as frontotemporal dementia, Lewy body dementia, and Parkinson's dementia, as well as others. We're also proud to have a bilingual, bicultural team who conduct visits in Spanish. Your participation can make a real difference for future generations. Please click on the description below to complete the very brief survey about the presentation you just viewed. And for those who are interested and who live in San Diego, we'll be happy to contact you. Simply provide your contact information on the secure survey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.